update. It's just like a store update in Prodigy, so we can somehow get to the merchants. Okay, we are now at the merchant. I can show you the two things that they have added. So the one thing is this, it's a lily pad, and it's actually pretty good for a rare. It has 6 hearts, which is good for something that is rare and so cheap. I'll buy that, and I guess I'll wear it just to show you guys what it looks like. And then there's also a new buddy, which is Ladybug. So I'll show you guys what those look like. Yeah, this is what the lily pad looks like, and then there is this. So yeah, that's basically going to be all for this video, just a little quick update. And yeah, I think there will be more coming. Maybe this update will come after we get more bonus currencies now. Like maybe next we'll get more Sugar Chill and more On Fire Spire and stuff like that. Maybe then after once those come out, we will get more new items in the game. That is just my theory, but yeah, that's gonna end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and bye.